Hello, welcome back to the channel and Facebook page. This old shed part 2. Alright, it's day number 2 doing the shed project, and I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I kept this part on. I've got to detach that from the shed. It's kind of a makeshift wood storage for outdoor fire pit wood. So this has to come down. It's mostly down. I've got most of the pine needles off of it and just kind of remove the rest of it, and then I can concentrate on jacking up this side of the house. There's too much weight here, so it'll be all free and clear. All right, so that's out of the way. I'll clean this up and then I'll be able to move the shed a little more easily. That was a lot of fun, especially when the mice came running all over the place. One almost fell on me. Wasn't. Ooh. Say that was rotten. Yikes. Not much left of that beam. Alright, so I'm going to jack this up, put some supports under it, clean out all this wood, and not sure what more I can do today, because I got the truck loaded with the shingles from yesterday, so I can't get the beams. The dump's not open today, so I may have to just table this until tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, making progress. Well, as I jacked up the building, this happened. The floor has separated from the wall, so I may need to replace the floor. Oh well. I'm going to try to save these boards, reuse them. They're in pretty good shape, nice and old.